Today we're installing a M12 steel half hex thin wall series Rivnut. We're using our 6703P tool, which will do this easily. Connected to 90 PSI. So I already pre-tested this, so I have the exact power needed, which is adjusted here. So I'm going to go to about 15 clicks, which you can feel and hear when doing this. So 15 in is a good starting point. It has an auto feed feature, so automatically goes on the tool, and then just hold. So right there, it did not quite go all the way, so then just go another click. And there you go, that'll upset. So I am just air upsetting and testing it. So if you're going into material, you might want to go one or two more clicks more.